We're jumping into today's show with Kevin Dykema, president of NCTM. He's here to tell us all about an exciting new book called School Mathematics Reimagined, Revitalized. And it's dropping right here at NCTM's annual meeting. Thank you for being here. Exciting.
Thanks for having me. I'm looking forward to our conversation.
So tell me a little bit about this book and the vision and what's new.
So one of the things that NCTM has always done is have these landmark publications to set the vision for what mathematics education should look like. And we recognize tremendous progress has been made in the K-12 space. There's still work to be done everywhere, but we really want to focus on high school mathematics. And we recognize that for so many of our students, they leave high school mathematics saying, I can't do math, I hate math. And we need to change that. If we want to increase opportunities for all of our students to be successful post-high school, we need to look at what are we doing in high school. So we joined forces with the Association of State Supervisors of Math and NCSM, formed a writing team to really look at what can we do in the area of high school mathematics. And this is the result of the work of the writing team, and so excited to see the impact that it's going to have on the collective mathematics education field.
When we've been here, we've been speaking with many educators, and they say they get so many resources here. Talk about how this book will be a resource for those educators, but also beyond that.
Yeah. So this is really written so it's going to affect educators, administrators, policymakers, and really revolve the book around the 3 R's. We need to make high school mathematics relevant to students' lives, reimagining, and we want to reimagine the way that we structure our content. And then that final R is the revitalized. We need to revitalize the student experience. So it's really focusing on what can we do to better meet the needs of every single one of our students.
I think through time, students have often said, how am I going to use math in the real world?
Yes.
And I think this concept in the book of seeing math all around you
Yes.
is so profound. How do you think that is going to change the way students look at that class, about the knowledge that they're getting in the classroom?
Yeah. I think when they start to see the relevance, the usefulness, when they start to get to the understanding stage, I think so often students have this notion that math is all these just procedures just to memorize. And our students increasingly are saying, why do we need to memorize that? Teacher, have you never heard of this thing called ChatGPT? Teacher, have you never heard of Siri? I can say, hey Siri, what's the quadratic formula? Hey Siri, what's the law of cosines? And Siri will correctly tell them that. They don't see the reason to have some of the stuff memorized that 20, 30 years ago we may have had to have memorized. We need to get to that understanding stage, and when they start to understand, when they see the relevance, when they see the usefulness of it, they're like, oh, all right, now I see why math has been developed and it's continuing to be developed, and it gives them a greater appreciation, and they want to continue to take more math classes.
So there's a great light bulb in the book. The question is, how do people get it?
Yeah, so you can go to nctm.org. It's on the landing page. For a 35% discount with our conference rate, go to NCTM Central, pick up your copy today.
A lot of excitement ahead. Thank
Very
you so
much so. Thank you.